Hey everybody, it's your boy Slushy Student 38. Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a car video for y'all. I got an oil catch can installed on my vehicle back in 2019 in May. So today's gonna be the first day when I go out there and dump it. So I wanted to bring you guys along and show you what it's like to actually have an oil catch can. And I also got an install that I'm doing today in this video. So I need y'all guys to watch the whole video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And yeah, we going up all 2020, like I said before. But no, let's get off of the car video subject for 1 second. But I wanted to talk about the coronavirus, and I see that it's affecting everybody. I live in Ohio, and we went on quarantine, lockdown, stay-at-home order last night. It took place at 11:59, so today's like day one for us. So yeah, I hope everybody's safe, and I want to say thanks again for watching my videos in this time. And yeah, stay tuned for the video. I had an oil catch can installed on my car when I first got it. So this is the first time I ever changed the oil catch can, and it's still not full. I wanted to show you guys how this actually looks and how an oil catch can is really beneficial towards your engine. It really helped. Obviously you can see the dirt and stuff in here and all how nasty this look. Like, engine oil should not look like that. So basically, this would all that engine oil would have went right back inside of my engine and making my engine unhealthy, basically. So I'm so happy that I installed this oil catch can, guys. Stay tuned for more of my videos. I was definitely just trying to show you this under my hood and stuff. It's a V6, you guys know that. I got a cold air intake also. So yeah. But yeah, all you do is this, so you just pour it out. Like, I can just pour it out somewhere. I want to find some grass or something to pour it out in real quick and then come back. So yeah, look how dirty that is. I poured it out. And so the one I got, you gotta just put this. I don't have nobody to record this for me, so the one I got, you just stick this under here and you just like screw it in under this little bezel. So I'm gonna do that right now, and I'm just get a second to put that on. All y'all do is, I don't know what kind you guys got. I wanted to get a bigger one, so I didn't have to change it out every 3,000 miles. So obviously this is a big one. It's TT Racing. I'll try to leave a link in the description for you guys. I got this when I first got my car, and I didn't start YouTube at the time. So yeah, this was something that you guys didn't get to see, so I get to show you guys what it is like to have this. So I think it's a real beneficial thing. So yeah, I just did that. All right, y'all, you already know I gotta give y'all a cold start. Excuse the wind and any background noise y'all hear. I'm moving the car so I can get some light. I'm about to do this install for y'all, so here go the cold start. Oh yes. All right, y'all, I'm about to hop in it. Let me show y'all this inside one more time. You already know how that got it. All right. Like I said, I moved the car over. This is the install I'm about to do. These are pedal pads. So I got it from Etsy.com. It was like $130 at the touch. They on sale right now for $114. I'll leave the links in the description so y'all can get y'all some if y'all want some. So yeah, this looks pretty simple. They has hose, and the kit, comes with screws and stuff. So I'm about to drill my own hose. I'm gonna mark it with a Sharpie. All right, I got this one on, y'all. I just want to make sure it was on good enough before I did the next one. I had to get a cord drill because the drill I had was cordless and it wasn't powerful enough to drill through this steel metal. Got all these holes drilled. Now I'm about to just place the last piece on. And yeah, it took a little minute. Had to get a cord drill because I had a cordless one before. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I got to see you getting this installed in these Dodge Charger gas pedal pads. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Thanks for supporting me. I'm about to hit 1K. We're going up from here all 2020. So like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for my next car video, gaming video, streams, and any uploads I got coming to y'all. So thank you all for subscribing once again, and I'm out of here. Stay tuned for the next video.